Today we will learn how to say numbers in English. Numbers are used to count objects or tell how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers from 1 to 10. We will also learn numbers from 11 to 20 and how to say 30, 40, 50, and so on. Learning numbers is important for understanding times and dates. Let's continue with the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers are unique and have their own spelling. After 20, we add tie for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then we say 100. This will help us count any number easily. Now let's talk about ordinal numbers. These are used when we want to talk about the order of things like first, second, third, and so on. 1 becomes first, 2 becomes second, 3 becomes third. The pattern changes after the third number. For example, fourth is fourth, fifth is fifth, sixth is sixth. After that, we use th for the rest like 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Understanding ordinal numbers helps us talk about dates and positions. To say dates in English, we use the format the 5th of March. The 5th is the ordinal number, and March is the month. We can also use March 5th or March 5th. The months are written with their full names. For example, January 1st, February 2nd, March 3rd, and so on. Writing dates correctly is useful for planning and understanding schedules. Now let's learn how to tell the time. Time is expressed in hours and minutes. For example, 7 o'clock is 7 o'clock. When it's 7:30, it means 7:30, which is 30 minutes after 7. We can also say 2:45, which means 2:45. In this scene, you'll learn how to read and pronounce time phrases in different situations. Understanding how to tell time in English is essential for daily life. We can say 2:45, which means 25 minutes before 3, or 7:15, which is 7:15. There are many ways to express time, but the most common are using o'clock, 1/2, and 1:45. Learning these expressions will help you understand and describe time clearly. Let's practice saying numbers in English again. Numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After that, we add tie for 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then we say 100. This will help you count anything in English. To make things easier, it's helpful to memorize the patterns for numbers. For example, 21 is 21, 22 is 22, and 23 is 23. Counting in English becomes easier when you know these patterns. This way, you can say any number from 1 to over 100 without confusion. Let's now look at how to express time in another way. Instead of saying 2:45, you can say 25 minutes to 3. Similarly, 7:30 can be written as 30 minutes past 7. These phrasal expressions are useful in different contexts. Learning how to use them will help you be more fluent in time-related conversations. In this scene, we will practice using numbers and times in a real-life situation. Imagine you're in a cafe and need to order something at 7:15. You can say, "I'd like a coffee at 7:15. Or if it's the 5th of March, you can say, "I have an appointment on the 5th of March. Using numbers and dates correctly helps you communicate clearly in various scenarios.